Hi, this is Eric Roman, also known as DJ Empire from djempire.net. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to use a laptop for DJing. You'll need a laptop with DJ software installed. In this case, I'm using Scratch Live made by Serato. You'll need a turntable and also a DJ mixer. The reason laptops are so convenient for DJing is because you can carry a large amount of music in a very small amount of space, instead of carrying large amount of records in large spaces. Let's go to the laptop and let me show you how to use it. You'll need to load music into your virtual player. By doing so, you click and drag and drop onto the virtual player. Once you have the song loaded, you can then manipulate it with the turntable. An example of that would be something like this. You push play on the turntable and it activates the song on the computer, and you get audio by turning up the volume, and you can manipulate it various ways. And that was a little bit on how to use a laptop for DJing. This has been DJ Empire. Thanks for watching.